people. So you know what? There is this page on Instagram called Gems for Crystals in You. It's a long name, and I had done a write up for them, and here of all the people I've ever featured, I've ever spoken about on my YouTube channel. I mean, all the people from Instagram, this was one special page because you know what, as of yesterday, yeah, yesterday or day before, they sent me this is called it is a roller for the face, you know. This feels good each time when and I actually connected with the person who runs this cute little this is like heaven, yeah. When you check the price of this on Amazon, a similar sort of thing goes for almost like, I don't know, yeah, it's like expensive, you know, 700, 750. Of course, you get a 350 rupee piece also, but this is made out of real rose quartz stone. So it's like ideal for in case you have a headache, or you just basically, it says it helps with the skin texture. So it just feels good. I plan to do it for my child also. You'll really need to get this product, yeah. And this is I guess for the, it's on both ends. And I actually told this to this gentleman that uh, there are certain rings that I like to wear no matter what, uh, you know, no matter what circumstances we've been, like in terms of even if one is divorced, I still wear my wedding ring, you know. This is the one. I don't know why I'm saying this on camera, but it's the thing. But this is one product also I intend to keep with me because this is just so special. And the person who runs this page, you can tell that all his products have that very spiritual touch, very you know, बहुत प्यार से किया है वो पेज. So do check it out, yeah. It's on Instagram. And meanwhile, I don't know, this is called an acupressure roller, I think, and it is the best thing on earth. I mean, you can get addicted to this, yeah, like seriously. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.